October 27th, we will be voting in another referendum, which is amending Article 15 of the Constitution. I will be opposing this referendum because, in my view, the wording of it is extremely flawed, particularly in the third paragraph which is amending the referendum, or which is amending the Constitution. The wording in this is very vague and says that the Oireachtas committees need to give due regard to the rights, or to give due regard and be fair-minded in how they treat people and how they investigate others. But the definition of due regard is very vague. My definition, or I cannot doubt that the government will be very fair in their definition of due regard, but that is not to say that other governments coming down the road may be fair in their own definition of due regard. In fact, they may be able to completely not disregard, but they may not be able to give a very fair reflection on what is due regard, and therefore may be able to illegally investigate a person, which the courts may not be able to protect. In my view, even though the Constitution does protect the rights of a citizen, Noel Whelan today wrote in the Irish Times that a senior retired judge wrote that the wording of that third paragraph may not be able to protect completely the rights of a citizen. And for example, if a party or a government of a certain political persuasion came to power, they may be able to abuse it and investigate investigate certain peoples, and not give due regard to fair procedure, as the changes in the referendum state. So therefore I would be opposing the referendum, and would ask you to please bear in mind this when you are voting on October 27th. Thank you.